So now what I'm going to do for this keto prep, I got the mushrooms done. I got the kale, the chard, the spring mix. Then we forgot to cook the spinach, Tone. That's in the bottom drawer. We can do it later. So we got that going. I got the hot links over here. I'm boiling the hot links a little bit. Just a little bit, and what we're going to do is take the juices out of there a little bit, and then use the stock of that to make a soup. It's really good. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on this thing. I just need to get a container to put everything. The other one, where'd the other one go? Oh, there it is. Alright, so the meat's going to go in there. The things I can't use is going to go in there. And the bowls are going to go in here. Alright, and then the skin is okay. I'm just not a big fan of it. There's a string on this. I don't know. Oh, we can always do it that way. Okay. So, this is good meat. So basically, I'm going to shred the meat like this. Actually, the bowls are going to go in here or in here. Good stuff in here, good stuff in here. Alright, same thing here. Alright, go ahead and cut.